You and your buddy planned this epic fishing trip to here. So you and your buddy planned this epic fishing trip. You drive all that way, you go out there, and he catches this massive fish. He asks you to take a picture. Dude, I can't believe I just caught this. Could you take my picture, please? Ready, hold, a little to the left, a little to the right. Okay, there. Cool. Did you get it? Is it good? Yeah, it's good. It's a good picture. Yeah, I'm sure it is. It's got to be good. It's awesome, man. Woo! Hooray for you. Yay. Yeah. Woo! Dude, I can't wait to show everybody at home. They're not going to believe this. Woo! So he catches this massive fish and asks you to take a picture. But when he gets home, he finds this picture when he was hoping for this picture. Now your buddy won't speak to you. There's ways to prevent that. This is how. Most people aren't going to carry DSLR in the water with them. They're carrying one of these or a phone. So, step one, focus. When possible, focus on his face, the fish, the deer, the battle wound, whatever's the most important thing in this story. Focus on that, then scroll your camera sideways to take in the whole picture. That way, the main part of the story is in focus. Number 2.
Get closer.
Get closer.
Do not use the zoom function. Only thing it does is make everything pixelated and horrible, fuzzy. It ruins the shot. Do not use the zoom. Physically, move in closer and you'll get a better shot. Compare this shot to this shot. Which one looks better? How about between these two? Do not ever use the digital zoom. Don't care if it's your camera, don't care if it's your phone. Digital zooms ruin pictures. Don't do it. Don't be that guy. Rule of thirds.
Rule of thirds.
Your camera or phone should have a grid function. Turn on the grid function and put your buddy's face here in the thirds. Always double check your work. Don't let him throw the fish back before you double check the shot came out. Don't walk away from that beautiful sunset before you double check the picture came out. Don't do it. Dude, it came out fine, I'm sure. Don't worry about it. It'll be awesome. I'm sure. Yeah, awesome, man. It'll be awesome. Awesome. You don't want to get home to find out you screwed up and you could have corrected it before he threw the fish back. Don't be that guy. Step 5. Check your lighting. When possible, have him face into the sun so there's no shadows. He'll be happier for it.